Hi, this is Joanne Hewins from LoveToCreate.typepad.com. This month for April, I will not be able to have my class at home as usual. And so I wanted to let you know that I'm going to provide videos, one each day for 5 different cards next week, April 6th through April 10th. And we'll do a card each day. I'll have a post on my blog at lovetocreate.typepad.com. I'll have a downloadable tutorial that you can print off as you wish. And we'll just have one each day. So these are the cards that we're going to do for Monday. I have this card using the Ornate Garden, and this is the fold that we'll be using. It's a fancy fold. So that was Monday. On Tuesday, we're going to be using Easter Promise. And originally I had this as an Easter card, but I just changed it to a friend card. So that's Tuesday. On Wednesday, we'll be using the Full of Happiness stamp set, and this is an Easter card. And it says, "May your Easter be full of happiness" on the inside. On Thursday, we'll be using Seaside Notions, and we'll learn how to make this background with the waves. And it's a birthday card on the inside. And then on Friday, we're going to be using Ornate Garden again. This is a little bit of a different fold. It has just a base, and then the card opens up this way. So we'll be making those. So these are the 5 cards that we'll be doing. I think they're pretty nice. I like them a lot, and I hope that you will too. I hope that you'll tune in each day. For those of you that tune into my video and leave a comment each day, I'm going to give away 5 packs of this various kinds of designer paper that is cut at 4 by 6. So you can get card fronts from each one of these. There's 25 in the pack. And this will be for people in North Carolina only. And I'll pick somebody who comments each day and send them a pack of this. I won't mail them out until probably the Monday of the next week. Maybe Tuesday, I guess we might be closed at the post office on Easter Monday. Not sure. Okay. And then if there's someone who watches all 5 of the videos and makes a comment that they have done that, I'm going to give away one of these stamp sets to someone who's done all 5. They'll get to choose the one that they would like to have. My choices are Little Ladybug, The Gang's All Mirror, or Happy Birthday to You. These are stamp sets I had left over from Celebration, but they're brand new. They have not been used. So there you go. I also can offer this class to go if there are any of you that are interested in that. If you live in the area and you would like this class to be picked up and in my carport box, the cost would be $15. If you need me to mail the kit to you, it would be $20, and that would include the postage. I have just a limited number available for you to do this. I don't have enough supplies to do a lot and don't really foresee that I'll need to. If you are interested in the class to go, I may have to make a couple of substitutions, maybe on some of the paper or some of the color. I can tell you now that I don't have very many of these faceted gems, but I can color some rhinestones for you to use instead that would look very much the same. So just let me know, and if you need me to get kits together, I will be happy to do that. I haven't done it yet. If you're interested, email me at jhewins@gmail.com. And if the cards are available, if I have the supplies for you, then I'll tell you to pay me by PayPal, and I'll get those in the mail to you by Tuesday of the following week. I'll send those off. So that's what's going on with my class, my April class this time. I do hope you'll tune in to my videos. I've worked real hard. They aren't professional, but they're me, and I'm just happy to share them with you. I'm very excited about my class video class, and just looking at the videos, of course, and all that is free to you. Thanks so much. I would like to say that I usually keep myself going with my class fees. And if you find it in your heart that you need some supplies and you would like to make some orders, I sure would appreciate it. You can go to lovetocreate.typepad.com and be linked to my online store, or on this video, I'll put that link. Thank you so very much. Bye-bye.